Hey everybody, and welcome back. So it's been a long time coming, and we can finally show you our new place. So in the end of the other video, where you're seeing everything that we did, we're actually looking in the backyard for this. That was like the biggest hint, was Sam looking down into this yard. And yeah, so starting off here, this is the garage. Have some nice little decorations because we just had Rose's first birthday party yesterday on Sunday, and I really like it out here. It has a pass-through garage. It's fantastic. I also want to add, this is just going to be a one-take video because I don't have any editing stuff set up yet, which you'll see in a minute. So come on in. The first room we're going to come in is our mudroom, and it's really nice, has lots of cabinets in it, and you can hang all sorts of stuff in here. I'll let you look at that. It's kind of a nice space. Got real tile floors, stuff like that. And you turn here, you got living room to your left and kitchen to the right. You can see a nice entryway there as well. This is Sam's favorite part. I really like it too. I think it's pretty flashy, this kitchen. Sam will give you a little look around, but let me turn the light on here. There we go. Lots of extra cabinet space. Some of these we don't even have anything in because it's definitely way more than what we were used to.
And we just moved.
By far the fanciest fridge I've ever touched. But yeah, it's really nice, white with light blue color on there. Oak floors, LED can lights up top, and the backsplash, which really, a lot of people really like this backsplash. I think it looks real nice. It ties in really nicely. Now over here, this is just our sitting area, and then our deck, which Sam can show you. Backyard there, you can see Rose's playset and everything. One thing we really like about this place that we didn't have at the last place was all of the storage. So this place offers a lot of storage, which is really important, as we found out. Another storage closet. And this is Rose's playroom, which you can see she was playing in. So, gotta remember we do live here. But we have a specific room for it now, which is awesome. And it's really, I think it's great. You can close these doors, and once Rose is a little older, she can play in here, make all the noise she wants, and we can be watching a movie or doing whatever, and she won't be too loud or anything. So, one room you won't be able to see is Rosie's room because she's in there taking a nap. But we'll go down the hall here. And we'll take the long way around to our bath. So this is our bathroom. Pretty standard tile floored. I don't know if this is granite or marble, I don't know. This here toilet is a really fancy one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a Kohler. And these go for like $800. I don't know why they had it in here, but it's a really expensive toilet, and I'm gonna rip it out and put the $88 one in here because it just doesn't look okay. More cabinets back here, which is really awesome. We didn't have that in our last bathroom. And this leads into the master. Master here. Nothing huge, but it's definitely big enough for our bed, and I really like it.
We still need to get the end table or side tables.
Yeah. We had kind of some furniture fiascos at the last place, so we're down a couple pieces. And then out in the hall here, this room is going to be Rosie's. But if we go straight, it's just right back into the toilet room. So that's how the house layout is. So that's it for the upstairs. I'll take you downstairs so you can see that. This house is located in a much nicer town with not very many people, and I'm enjoying it so far. I think Sam's enjoying it too.
Yeah.
It's a good change of pace. Welcome to the basement. So off to our right here, we just have a standard little closet. Nothing in it. I don't really know what we're going to end up putting in there.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then this will be the office and also Sam's area where she can do her scrapbooking and stuff. We're going to share the room. And right now, obviously, boxes. Power box back there. I want to put heat and stuff in the garage, so that's going to be nice because we can run all the power out. Closet, and then the crawl space underneath the stairs is over there too. And then straight ahead here is the bathroom. In the bathroom, if you go around this way, we have another closet. We actually have a couple fancy towels in this one, but it's also the service area for some of the piping. And if we go around the other way, you can show them, Sammy.
Okay, there's a toilet, a little shelf, cabinet thing, and then just a little stand-up shower.
And how the heck you come this way because of the door. This is what gets people in this house, and I don't think it's that weird, but...
Give me the heebies.
And here is our utility room. So they have this huge shelf thing in here. I'm going to cut it down like
huge,
at least half, because if you put something in there, you can't really get it. So I'm going to cut this down so we can have more room in here. And then we're going to unstack the washer and the dryer because we don't like them this way. Originally, they had like a fancy cabinet right here, and they removed it, and so we're going to take this and put it on the ground because it's kind of unserviceable for one person to do this. So if this ever goes out and I need to change it myself, I don't have a chain hoist or something to get it down. But obviously the washer and dryer is relatively new. The water softener's newer than original. This house was built in 91. This is only 6 years old. We got the warranties and stuff too, but I'm not worried about it. But the water heater is actually original. But luckily, that's like one of the cheapest things to replace. So. But it works nice. Alright, out of the bathroom.
I want to turn out the light over here.
Alright.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, now we're going to go down the hall.
So, stairs, hall.
Yep. This was their toy room. That upstairs room we used for Rosie, that was actually their office. This was their toy room. It has a whole bunch of outlets in here, but I'm not really sure what we're going to use it for. I think this is probably just going to be like a storage area.
Yeah, it's got, like, that's all Christmas right there.
Yeah. I mean, we can put a window in it and have a small bedroom, but technically it already has 5 rooms. So, here's another bedroom filled with stuff. We moved on. We signed the paperwork 1 week Friday.
On the 11th.
A little over a week. And we had Rose's birthday party this last Sunday. So it was like, get everything in here and make it look livable to get that party. So now that we're past her party, we can start focusing on some of this. But we just had to do like bare necessities for a week there. And then we have the downstairs living area. We need to get a TV for it. We have a 50-inch one, but I'm going to try to measure this and find one that can just sit in here. Mm-hmm. I really like this. You can put a 50 in here at an angle, but I kind of think that some movies and stuff, along with your movie shelf, would look really nice in here. And fireplace, which works really well. So that'll be awesome in the wintertime. And this basement has a much nicer feel because the other place had like that laminate wood flooring, and this place actually has carpet, and it feels warmer and more homey in here. And upstairs and downstairs in the living rooms have the same, where you can dim the lights. So if you're having a movie and you just want a little bit of light, it's really nice. Or if you're, talking with people or hanging out, you can have all the rest. But I accidentally left this on one day. I brought this thing upstairs, and I forgot that I was messing with the button because I was trying to program it. Hit the button. That night, Sam and I are just like so warm upstairs. We got the AC going, and I came down the next morning, and the fireplace was on, and it was like really hot down here.
It was on 90.
Yeah, it actually got so hot the fireplace turned off on its own. So I don't know if that's 90. I'm imagining it's somewhere around there. But, oops. Good thing though is if the furnace ever goes out, we have the fireplace to keep the pipes from not freezing. So that'll kind of save us. What do you want to say, Sammy?
8 years ago at our prom.
Was that today?
No.
Oh.
We didn't have prom in September.
Oh, well. It was 8 years ago.
8 years and like 4-ish months.
All right. So that is the house tour. Let's head back upstairs. And,
the camera is showing these walls as like really yellow.
When we first walked around this place, they had it decorated so nice. And all these colors looked so pretty. And we're like, we don't even have to paint the place. It's perfect. And then we came here when all their stuff was gone. And now it's like, wow, this is kind of an ugly yellow. So we're going to paint it. We just don't know what we're going to paint it with yet, what color. But we have lots of stuff. We can walk on the deck, I guess, to kind of end the video. Like I said, I'm sorry we have to do it one take, but as you see in the office area, really isn't put together yet. We have a nice deck here. Wonderful neighbors on this side. They're an older couple. Lady's in her 90s and he's in his 80s. And the guy behind us actually owns that house. That's his parents. So he's a really nice guy as well. And then these people here, I don't know how old they are. Maybe 30s at most. But they're actually maybe going to come home today. They just had their first kiddo. So that's exciting. But I'm happy we got our fire pit. I already put that in. Rosie has her play set, which we asked to stay here, and then the shed, and a real nice yard. And I'm just really happy to finally, our front yard is probably 2 or 3 times the size of what our whole yard was at the last place. So I am stoked to have this wonderful yard. It also has an underground dog fence and underground irrigation sprinklers. I haven't used any of them yet, but it is what it is. We'll get there when we get there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And now that we have another space here, you can expect more videos to come. So until next time, see you later.